What's going on? Garrett here. If you have just 10 minutes a day, I'm going to share with you how you can simply copy paste videos online and start earning $200 to $400 per day without any previous experience or tech skills. So follow me as I hop on my computer and dive into much more information. Now, the amazing thing with this method is you don't need to show your face, okay? So we're going to be creating videos very easily using a free software and tool I'm going to share in just a second. But you don't need to show your face. So if you're worried, you don't want to put your face out there, don't worry at all. I'm going to share with you how to do it very easily. Now, this method, again, is copy paste and very quick to implement. So you can do it anytime you have downtime. So if you're someone that's very busy, maybe you're working a job, as long as you have about 10 minutes before you go to work or on your lunch break, you can actually find time to do this easy method. And it can be done from just a smartphone and Wi-Fi connection, okay? So if you just have a phone and maybe you don't have a computer, you're gonna be able to do this method and start to see some absolutely incredible results. And last but not least, you can potentially get thousands of visitors to your affiliate link, which will result in tons of sales. Now, be sure to stay to the very end of the video though, because you're even gonna discover a secret strategy that takes just 5 minutes to do on top of this 10-minute method that can even triple the income you start making. And you want to stay tuned to the very end of the video because you do not want to miss this. But without further ado, let me go ahead and dive in right now. Okay, so I found this YouTube channel right here that's leveraging this method. And you can see that they're just posting these simple 5 to about 15-second videos called YouTube Shorts to their channel. And you can see that, this video got 8 million views, close to 8 million views here, okay, 1 million views. And this takes incredibly little work to actually create, as you'll see in just a second. Now, if you don't know what a YouTube short is, again, it's very popular right now. These videos are very easy to go viral and get thousands, if not millions of views. And you can direct these views to an affiliate link that is coded to you. And a portion of those people will buy it. When they actually buy, you're going to be able to make thousands of dollars a month, okay? Tons of people I've shared this with are making insane results. And I want to share with you this website here. If we go to socialblade.com, okay, what it will do is tell you roughly how much these people are making just on views, okay? This isn't through affiliate links in their description, which they could be making way more. Just on views, they're making up to $6,200 per month, okay? Just using the simple, about 10-minute a day method, okay? So now that we've seen the method, well, the first thing we want to do is decide on a niche or category we want to go into, okay? Because we're going to create a YouTube channel around that. And for this video, I'm going to use health and fitness, okay? And you can use that as well. We want to go to Google Images, okay? And we want to search in the name of our niche, okay, followed by quotes. And we want to search that on Google Images. Because what this is going to do is this is going to give us quotes that we can literally create our YouTube short around and start to get massive traffic and sales. So you can see right here, these are basically quotes, okay? They're putting quotes on the actual video. They're actually using videos of other people. We don't even have to get that complex. We're just gonna be able to use these quotes. So for example, okay, this quote right here, the best investment you can ever make is in your own health, okay? So we can literally take that health and fitness quote and we can put it on a YouTube short, and using another free site I'll share in just a second, start to get massive views, okay? So now that we have the quote, we wanna actually find a nice, relaxing video that we can put the quote on top of to get more attention and views. And what you can do is go to a site called pixabay.com, okay? A lot of people don't know about this. It's totally free, and they give you stock videos and footage that you can use, okay? So you can actually go to the top on this website and go under the video tab. Now, once you're on here, we want to type in something like relaxing videos, okay? And once you search that, it's going to share with you these different videos. Now, you can actually use these again in your YouTube short, and you'll see in just a second with the software on how to combine these, okay? Let's say I liked this video here, okay? I can open this up, I can actually play it, and you're gonna be able to see, okay, what this looks like. So it's a very relaxing view of water and clouds, okay? So now I can go to the top right and I can actually click free download, okay? Because this is actually free for commercial use, and we can go ahead and download that to our computer, or if you have a smartphone, you can actually record your screen, okay? Many smartphones allow you to do that, and you can actually record this video. Now, once we've downloaded that video, okay, you wanna go to a website called canva.com and create an account. It's totally free to create an account. And what a lot of people don't realize with Canva is you can actually create YouTube shorts. Now, if you actually go to the top and you type in what design you want and you type in YouTube shorts, it will actually drop down and you can open this up, and they have all these different templates you can use to create YouTube shorts, okay? Now, what we can actually do is just create a blank short by clicking there, okay? Now, what we want to do is, first off, we want to add the background video. You can actually go to uploads, okay? And I can actually upload media here. And then we want to choose the video that we just downloaded, okay? So it's uploading there, and I can actually click there, and then I can drag it to make it fill up the entire YouTube short background, okay? Just like this. Very, very simple. Now, I do want to share with you that if you go to videos on Canva, they actually have a lot of background videos you can use. But sometimes if you want to find a higher quality video, or if you want to find a video that actually reflects your niche, like if I go back to it here, okay, I can actually type in health and fitness, okay, and you can see more videos like this that you could put quotes on as well. So this gives you more variety, but Canva actually has videos as well that you can use, okay? Now, once we actually upload this video, we want to actually drag it, make sure it's under 15 seconds, okay, because that's a good length for a YouTube short. And then what we want to do is we want to actually go to text on the left side, and we want to add a heading to this video, okay? Now, this is where our quote is going to actually go, okay? So we can go back to Google Images, and again, we just want to find a good quote that reflects health and fitness if that's the niche you choose. So for example, I can use this one. If I just go back here, the best investment you can ever make is in your own health, okay? Type that in. We just want to drag it right there, make sure it's centered, okay? If we actually zoom in here and we play it, you're going to be able to see, okay, that it has this background, it has this quote. Now, what we can do is we can actually change the effects, okay, so we can make it, you know, bold like that to make it better. And what we can actually do is go down here and click to add another page, and then we can go to photos, and we can just choose a still image, okay, or we can actually choose a background like this, and we can drag this out like that, okay? And then what we can do is add another text, and we can say something like, discover how to get the best results with your health in the link in my description. Something like that. So we give a call to action at the very end. So people watch this first part, and then they see the call to action so they know to actually go to our description in the video. And that's where we're going to have our affiliate link. But I want to share exactly how to do that in just a second. So once we have a YouTube short created, all you have to do is actually go to the top, okay, under share, and then just hit download. Now, as it's downloading, we now want to find a affiliate product to promote so we can start to generate commissions with this massive traffic we're going to start getting. So what you can do is you can actually go to a site called Clickbank. If you don't have an account, it's totally free to join. You just start here. And once you're logged in, you want to go to the top tab under Marketplace. And you want to look for the category of the quotes that you found, okay? So if you found quotes in relationship, you can actually go to self-help, okay? They often have relationship type products, as you can see right here, marriage and relationships. But for the sake of this video, we're going to go to health and fitness. Now, what we want to do is we want to actually sort results by gravity, okay? So if we do this right here, we can actually go to the very top, and I can sort results by gravity, okay? Now, what this is going to do is list the best-selling products at the top. So for example, Exopure right now, it has a gravity score of 1100, okay, which is absolutely incredible. That means over 1,000 other affiliates are selling this product. And don't worry about competition, okay, because we actually want to sell products that are selling well. So what we can do is when we find a good product, we can click promote, and we want to actually generate hop link. And this is going to give us our affiliate link at the bottom, okay? So we want to copy that affiliate link. And now whenever someone goes to that link and they actually purchase our product, we're going to be able to make a commission. Okay, so I'll share with you what that actually looks like. If someone goes to the affiliate link, it takes them to this page. And if they check this out and they go to the bottom, okay, and they decide to add to cart and they buy, we're going to get a portion of that money in the form of a commission. Okay, so that's how we're going to be able to make money. So now what we want to do though is, rather than just promoting that long affiliate link that's pretty unattractive, we can go to a site called tinyurl.com. Now, once we're there, we want to paste in that long Clickbank affiliate link and we want to hit make tiny URL. Okay, and that's going to actually give us this shortened affiliate link that we can go ahead and copy. Okay, because we're going to use this in just a second. Now what you want to do is you want to go to YouTube, and if you haven't created a channel yet, you want to do that. All you need is a Gmail email address and you can create a free YouTube channel. And then once you do, we want to go up here and hit create and then upload video. Okay, because we want to upload that YouTube short to YouTube so we can start to get results. Okay, so we just want to select files and we want to upload the video that we downloaded. So I want to share with you that right now. Okay, so I uploaded it right there. Now you can see that it automatically will take the actual quote that you used, okay, and you can actually use that as your title, or you can make it a little bit more clickbaity to get more people to watch. So you can say, this quote explains the secret to improving your health or improving your relationships. You just want to plug it in with your own niche. But then once we do that, okay, what we want to do in the description is we want to say, if you want to discover the best way to lose weight fast, okay, or gain muscle fast, or get your X back, whatever your niche is, you want to create something of a call to action. And then we want to say, click here now, okay? And then what we want to do is we want to put in our affiliate link, okay, the shortened link that we got from tinyurl. So we want to go back here, we want to put that in, okay? And then what we want to do is we just want to add a few, you can hit no, it's not made for kids, and we just want to add a few tags, okay? So you can do health and fitness, wellness, and then if you start typing this in, okay, they'll actually give you keyword suggestions, okay? So we just want to choose, at least 5 health and fitness tips, okay? There we go, and then we literally can just hit next, next, and we can go ahead and choose public, and we can go ahead and publish. Now I want to share with you what this looks like. Okay, you can see right there the quote. And then at the end of it, you will see the call to action. Discover how to get the best results with your health in the link in my description. Okay, and then they go to the description and they're going to be able to click our affiliate link and we're going to start to be able to make sales. But now what I want to do is, as you stay consistent with this, you create at least one a day, you're going to start to have some of them go viral. Okay, it's a bit of a numbers game. You want to keep posting them. Some of them are going to take off. Some of them are not going to do as well. But again, if you continue to stay consistent, you will have some that are going viral and you will start to get tons of people going to your affiliate link. But now I want to share with you how to even triple your results very, very easily. So what you can actually do is you can create a TikTok account, okay? And what you can do is create a TikTok account that's very similar to your YouTube channel. And then you can take those YouTube shorts and you can literally post them on your TikTok, okay? You can see that this video here got 684,000 views. I posted it a few days ago, okay? And then all I do is I put my affiliate link in my bio, my description, and people go to there, okay? So we're just doubling the amount of results. To even triple the amount of results, and I just did this a few days ago, is you can actually create an Instagram account and you can take that same YouTube short and you can post it on Instagram. So now you're getting tons more traffic and clicks to your affiliate link. You just take that one video and you distribute it on different channels and you can start to get tons of clicks, okay? So again, you always want to put your affiliate link in your bio or description and people will start to go there and you will start to get a massive amount of sales. Now, before you get going, I want to share with you though, to reward you, a free video that's going to reveal my #1 affiliate system so you can literally make even more sales, up to $1,000 per commission on total autopilot. Just click the link directly below this video and you can get access to that now. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you want me to make more like this, smash the like button to let me know. Also, be sure to subscribe with the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. And I really hope you got value. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next training.